Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, ONGC Limited has released couple of vacancies, so let's start them. So friends, ONGC has released vacancy for recruitment executive at E1 level. Here the pay scale is 60,000 to 1,80,000. And friends, apart from basic pay, you will be eligible for annual increment of 3% and you will be paid 35% of basic pay as an allowance, and you will get other benefits also as per the company's rule. So now let's talk about the post and eligibility criteria. So friends, if you can see at serial number 1 is a vacancy for finance and accounts officer. Education qualification asked is graduate with ICWA or CA or MBA with specialization in finance with minimum 60% marks. So do keep this in mind. CA, CMA or MBA finance is eligible, or they have mentioned if you have done your post graduation diploma management or MBA from IIM with 60%, then only you are eligible. So there is a difference that if you have done your MBA from IIM from any branch, then you are eligible to apply, and here you don't need to have any experience. Here the total number of vacancies are 48, so there is a bumper opening, and out of which 22 vacancies are for unreserved category and rest are for all reserved category candidate. And friends, they have specifically mentioned that candidates who have obtained their qualification through distance learning or part-time are also eligible. So that's really a good news, provided it is done through a recognized body. Now let's talk about point number 3, that is age limit. So for unreserved category, the age limit is maximum 30 years as on the last date of registration of this online application. We will talk about the last date in a short while. Now very important selection process. So friends, your selection will be based on computer based test. That is your first step, followed by the interview. So here on your computer based test, you have to minimum score 45% marks for general category students and 40% for SC/ST category, and based on your performance in your computer based test, they will be called for interview in the ratio of 1:5, and your final candidate will be selected based on the various parameters. So here they have mentioned that your computer based test will have 60% weightage, then your qualification will have 25% weightage, and your interview will have 15 marks weightage. So like this, total 100 marks will be allotted, and based on your ranking you will be shortlisted. Now they have mentioned that 0.5 marks in line of higher qualification will be provided here for finance and accounts officer. If you are having PhD, then 5 marks will be provided to you. And they have mentioned at point number D that in order to qualify in computer based test and thereafter again in the personal interview separately, you need to qualify the interview. Here the candidate are required to score 60% marks, that is 9 marks out of 15. So your interview is having 15 marks. In that you need to score minimum 9 marks to clear the interview, and then based on that your final merit list will be prepared. Now let's talk about the format of computer based test. So at serial number 6 they have mentioned the format. Here your total test will consist of 150 marks, out of which your technical syllabus that is related to your accounts field, 80 questions will be asked, then 40 questions from general awareness and 30 questions from aptitude test. So like this, total 150 marks will be there, and it's a multiple choice questions. You will be provided 3 hours. That's really a good thing that you will get ample amount of time to answer all these questions. And your test centers will be in Delhi, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Chennai and Hyderabad. So they have very limited exam centers, so do keep this in mind while filling up the application form. Online application and registration will be open from 18th October to 7th November 2022. So almost 20 days are given for you to fill up the vacancy form. And your application fee, so friends, you need to provide 300 rupees as a registration fee for general, OBC and EWS category candidate, and for SC/ST PWD there will not be any fees. Now the important dates, as I mentioned earlier, that your online registration will start from 18th October 2022, that is already started, and your last date for registration will be 7th November 2022. So almost 20 days are given for you to fill up the application form. Now rest are all general terms and conditions. You can go through them in detail. I will provide the notification link in the description. So friends, it's really a good opportunity. They have released massive number of vacancies for your finance and accounts domain. So do apply for it if you are meeting the eligibility criteria. It's a very good opportunity. You will get very good amount of pay also. So do share with someone whom you find this vacancy useful. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.